Hello viewers, I am drawing a picture of a bird which is sitting on a tree. There are some flowers on the branches. After drawing, I gave it a pencil shade. If you want to watch more drawing videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. There is another drawing of a bird from a different side. I hope you will like it. So watch it till the end. Please share the video with your friends, family and with your relatives too. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video.